Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So excited, I guess scared, excited, everything you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. Definitely need donations. I've got a couple $100 worth of wire sitting in my shopping cart. I need to, well, like 180. Anyways, so I've got that strand done, and that strand done, and that strand done. Oh my gosh, yes. So, yeah, wiring these things up is nothing fun. So there's my one, two, and three. If you guys notice, my middle phase, I'm sure you can't see that. See how this wire looks? The end of that. Yeah, I know you can't see it. Well, this strand, which is going to be the middle phase, second coil, is, well, it's new. We'll just say it's new. So, oh man, I love you guys. Look, man, y'all didn't let this flop, and I appreciate it so much. I've worked so hard on this stuff. So long I've worked so hard on this, and I'm so grateful for everything you guys have kept me going, not let me give up. I truly am blessed. Let me show you. That's why I always stand over here, because you guys can see that right there. I truly am blessed. So, I'm gonna get to winding on this. So each piece of wire is 6 pieces of wire, and twisted together. I'm going to wrap them in this stator a certain way. I'm going to make a video and put it out there how I made this motor generator, which I'm just going to use it as a motor and backfire it and make it a lot more efficient, so that most of what is collected off of the collapsing magnetic field will be sent right back into the machine itself. So, alright, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm going to put PayPal link in here. If you guys can afford to send me some money, please. Please send me some money. I'm hurting. I'm spending everything I have on this. Well, let me show you. I bought some new boards. These are these are big PCB, well, prototype boards. Got some more 600 volt transistors. I still have a couple of spark gaps. Don't think I'm gonna need them. And I bought this is a package. It has 26 A10s, 6 amp 1000 volt rectifier diodes, 2010 A10s, 20 A10, 10 A10, and 6 A10. And there's a bunch of them. These are big diodes. Got 2 packs like this. Can't see. Yeah, I know. Where are you from there, son? Earth. North America. Where are you born? North America. I'm native to North America. I think that's it. Let's get these going. I want this first machine to sell to somebody who's really going to do the best with it. Get this 20,000 watts on the output, 30,000 for 10 seconds. And I know the reason for that. It loses its eddy currents. It's built up in the iron. Because it has a floating neutral in it, well, I can't hook the neutral. I can't hook it up to the dirt. So, I do what I can. But 20,000 watts continuous, you know what? That'll run your house. So, love you guys. 6 minutes, 6 seconds. Yep, time to go. See you guys soon. Oh, this is going to be so great. Send me your money. Oh, don't forget to hit the like button. I have found out that 90% of my people on here, 90% of my views are not from subscribers. So you guys, what do they say? Ring that bell, hit the subscribe button. Make sure that notifications, the bell, is clicked. That way you get notified of all of these videos that I'm fixing to be posting. I'm going to make a video of how I make this motor, and I'll sell that to you guys. There's my revenue. Unless you guys just make it happen now and everybody sends me $50 or $100, and tomorrow is a different day, and tomorrow I'll share it all. Well, I love you guys. Gotta go. God bless. You guys will know all of this very soon. Love y'all.